Once upon a time in a small village in India, there lived a young boy named Raju. Raju was an ordinary student, but he lacked motivation and found it difficult to focus on his studies. His parents, who were farmers, wanted their son to have a bright future and encouraged him to excel in his education. However, Raju seemed disinterested and often made excuses to avoid studying. One day, Raju's father took him to visit a nearby town where they met a wise old man named Guruji. Guruji was known for his wisdom and ability to inspire young minds. He saw the lack of motivation in Raju's eyes and decided to help him. Guruji invited Raju to his humble abode and began telling him stories. These stories were simple yet powerful, filled with life lessons and values that were easy to understand for young minds like Raju's. The first story was about a farmer who had a field filled with fertile soil. The farmer planted seeds, but he did not water or tend to them regularly. As a result, the crops did not grow, and the farmer had a poor harvest. Guruji explained to Raju that just like the farmer, if he did not put in effort and dedication, he would not reap the rewards of his studies. Next, Guruji shared a story about a young bird learning to fly. The bird initially struggled, falling down repeatedly. However, it did not give up and kept trying until one day it soared high in the sky. Guruji emphasized the importance of perseverance and explained that success comes to those who never lose hope and keep trying. As Raju listened to these stories, he started to feel a glimmer of inspiration. He realized that his lack of motivation was holding him back from achieving his dreams. He wanted to change and become a diligent student. Guruji then gave Raju a simple mantra to follow: believe in yourself and work hard. He explained that self-belief is the first step towards achieving anything in life. Raju took these words to heart and decided to put in his best effort. Raju returned home with newfound determination. He started setting small goals for himself and worked diligently to achieve them. He developed a routine, allocating specific time for studies every day. Whenever he faced challenges, he remembered Guruji's stories and found the strength to persevere. Slowly but steadily, Raju's grades began to improve. His teachers noticed his newfound dedication and started praising him for his hard work. Raju's parents were overjoyed to see their son's transformation and encouraged him to keep striving for excellence. As time passed, Raju's motivation grew stronger. He realized that education was the key to unlocking a world of opportunities. With his hard work and determination, he secured a scholarship to a prestigious university. Raju's journey from a disinterested student to a motivated achiever inspired many other children in his village. They saw the transformation in him and started believing in their own abilities. With Guruji's stories and Raju's example, the village experienced a wave of motivation, and children began to take their studies seriously. Raju's story spread far and wide, reaching schools and communities across India. His tale became an inspiration for students struggling with motivation. Raju, now a successful professional, dedicated his life to motivating and mentoring young minds, just like Guruji did for him. And so, the power of motivation continued to shape the lives of countless students, spreading hope and igniting the fire of ambition in the hearts of the youth across the nation. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.